Well, I don't know if it's a show truck, but it's a nice little truck. It's a 1992 T600 Kenworth, but it's come a long way. We're happy with it. I drive it to school every day. All right, I'm AJ Frankie. I live in Cottondale, Florida. My business is Driving Academy, Tallahassee, and we're out of Quincy, Florida. I just got in the CDL business about 2 years ago. We've been open for business a year. It took about a year to get licensed. I complained a lot about the quality of drivers and the safety and things like that. And my wife, she's like, hey, if you're gonna complain, you need to have a right to complain. So she was like, start another business, and it could be a CDL school. So I checked into that, and that's how I ended up being a Driving Academy franchise in Tallahassee. It's got a Detroit 470 in it, 12.7, 15-speed overdrive, 336 rears. It pulls a 2026 East flatbed beast. Basically, just an old truck that I think back in November I bought. I bought it off a marketplace, my favorite place. Went up, got it, brought it home, and then I gutted it inside, redid the interior, just took it apart, cleaned it, salvaged what I could. I've done a headliner, air conditioning, wheels, tires, brakes, all the door jambs, all the door handles, all that didn't work. Fixed all that, cleaned it. I forget what all I've done. The transmission, the rear ends. So it's just been a steady project.
Was the pinstriping and stuff done when you got it, or is that something you added?
No, it was just plain white. It looked like milk puked all over it. So I added the pinstriping and the lettering. A guy from Texas came out and pinstriped it for me. Okay. I polished the tanks. They used to have fairings. They were all cracked up, so we took those off and I polished the tanks. Stacks, mufflers, lights. It's got under lights. But it's come a long way. We're happy with it. I drive it to school every day. Not every day, but a lot of days. Right. Yeah.